Are you ready to take your culinary adventures to the next level? Look no further than the remarkable Ninja Kitchen system. This kitchen powerhouse combines a 72 ounces blender pitcher, an 8-cup food processor, and a 16 ounces Nutri Ninja Cup delivers professional-grade performance right to your countertop. With a robust 12-watt motor base and a range of accessories, this system is designed to handle all your meal and drink-making needs effortlessly. At the heart of the Ninja Kitchen system lies a powerful high-speed motor that's ready to break down whole fruits, vegetables, and ice with ease. No more struggling with chunky smoothies or uneven results. This motor ensures silky-smooth blends every time. The XL 72 ounces blender pitcher is a game-changer, featuring total crushing technology. It can blitz through frozen fruit and ice in mere seconds, making it a breeze to whip up large batches of creamy frozen drinks and smoothies that'll satisfy the whole family. Say goodbye to long queues at the smoothie shop. The 8-cup food processor bowl is your secret weapon for precision processing and dough mixing. It comes with a chopping blade for consistent results in your recipes, ensuring that every ingredient is perfectly prepared. Plus, the dough blade can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Are you always on the move? The 16 ounces Nutri Ninja Cup is your ideal companion for crafting personalized, nutritious drinks that you can take with you anywhere. It effortlessly breaks down whole fruits, veggies, and ice directly in the cup. Simply twist on the spout lid, and you're ready for easy sipping on the go. It's the perfect solution for your busy lifestyle. The Ninja Kitchen system doesn't skimp on blades. It includes a stacked blade assembly, dough blade assembly, chopping blade assembly, and pro extractor blades assembly. Each blade is designed for a specific purpose, whether it's blending, chopping, or extracting nutrients from your ingredients. You'll have all the tools you need to unleash your culinary creativity. Cleaning up after cooking or blending has never been easier. All parts of the Ninja Kitchen system are BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your food and drinks. Plus, they are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your culinary creations. In summary, the Ninja Kitchen system is a versatile, high-performance kitchen appliance that's perfect for anyone who loves cooking, baking, and blending. Whether you're whipping up delicious smoothies, kneading dough for homemade bread, or preparing ingredients for your favorite recipes, this system has you covered. Ready to elevate your culinary game? Click the link below to explore the Ninja Kitchen system and bring professional-grade performance to your kitchen. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy cooking!